Why are they squished up like that?
Pinkalicious. Peter!
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Manatee County in west central Florida, north central Sarasota County in west central Florida, until 12:30 p.m. At 11:53 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over the meadows, near Sarasota, moving northwest at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Bradenton and West Samoset around noon. Palmetto, South Bradenton, West Bradenton, Memphis, and Ellenton around 12:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Bayshore Gardens, DeSoto Lakes, Palmasola, Fayetteville, Samoset, Oneco, Cortez, and Holmes Beach. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. for the following county: Manatee, Florida.
Activities. Learn at home with PBS Kids.
Pinkalicious and Peterific is made possible in part by...
Read me the tale of a faraway land. Tell me of planets with oceans of sand. Take me to places my passions pursue. Teach me to read, and I'll teach someone too. Homer is a proud sponsor of PBS Kids.
Keep curiosity running. Kitty Academy Educational Childcare.
Target believes that the power of play and the joy of everyday life are all around. Target is a proud sponsor of PBS Kids. The Corporation for Public Broadcasting, a private corporation funded by the American people and by viewers like you. Thank you. It's me, Molly. Like all of us in Kaya, I'm staying inside these days. And missing my aunties and my chata and my friends. The good news is there are so many ways to stay in touch. Video chatting is really fun. I just taught Auntie Myrna how. Just don't click the red button. She still needs some practice. You can always call someone on the phone. I talk to my grandpa every day. And if you can't spend time with friends, you can always send each other fun drawings of animals you see. Though Tui mostly just sends sketches of his dogs. Boop, boop. Are you finding fun ways to stay connected with people you love? I hope so, because it really helps and makes you feel so great. Inahoya! See you again soon.
For more from Molly of Denali, check out the PBS Kids video app. Don't you wish you could watch the PBS Kids channel anywhere you want? Like in your dog's house, on a walk, or on a picnic? All you need to do is tap the live TV button on your PBS Kids video app.
Now this is the way it's supposed to be.
Watch full episodes of all your favorite shows, plus PBS Kids Family Night specials every Friday, music videos, and more. The PBS Kids video app. Tap on the live TV button and enjoy. Download it now. It's free.
The Early Learning Coalition of Pasco and Hernando Counties and the Promise Institute will host Embrace a New Start, a virtual early learning conference experience, Saturday, November 14th, 8:30 a.m. until 12 noon, featuring keynote speaker Keith L. Pence, 3 breakout sessions, special awards, and more. Live streaming available to the public at phelc.org. Teachers seeking CEUs or in-service hours can register at phelc.talentlms.com.